morning. Welcome to the very rainy, not so cold Japan. This morning we're going for a bit of a
Kaget.
Yeah, a kaget.
Guramaget.
So the house has been very exciting. We've done a lot of cleaning in the last couple of days, but we still have so much left to go. I think we're 2 rooms down out of 12. The hardest part has actually been trying to find shovels and vacuums and cleaning stuff and that kind of thing. So we've been smashing that out, but in the meantime we've also been trying to move out. How many cars do we have? 5?
6 in total.
We got 6 cars in Japan already. We're trying to move 5 currently. Doing what we can to try and free up the space that our friends have graciously allowed us to have cars in, and try to get it out of their hair. So yeah, we're going on a bit of a trip this morning. We have to head up to Toshi up to TN Service Kyoto, and we're gonna go pick up something that you guys haven't seen yet. So I've kept this pretty hush on the channel. Some of my members know about it, but yeah, this is a very exciting new addition to the collection. And it's something that I wanted to have in Japan as a long-term project, and it's also something that has a lot of sentimental value to me and to a Japanese friend of mine. So it's a bit of a tribute to him, and it's a sick car. You'll know it instantly the second you see it. So yeah, look forward to that one, and let's get out of here and eat some Danish and go see if Ben's car will start.
Nostalgic CDs.
We've decided we don't like technology. Well, we don't like technology anyway, but yeah, no, I've reverted to CD wallet cases again, and the nostalgia is real. We've been listening to Fast and Furious for like the last couple of days. Ito-san! Kawaii. Welcome to TN Service Kyoto. This is Toshi King's HQ, also home to some really cool cars. Some you may recognize. Yuki-san's Hachiroku. And Inoki-san working on a very beautiful Shibuya in there. And what we are currently here for. Told you I had a surprise. This is the surprise. Hands in the comments if you recognize this 180. Also, this is my first time seeing Toshi King's truck. He has an elf as well. Look! So this is an NKR elf, and I have an NQR elf. I didn't realize our trucks were so similar, or that he had one. He's got a big crane though. That's so cool. I want his mirrors. Look at these beautiful mirrors. Gorgeous Japanese electronic fold-in mirrors that are on the front, and then we have these POV-pack gross Australian ones that go on the side of our trucks. But that is a big surprise I've had for quite a while now, and I have refrained from telling you guys about. We now have Hosotani-san's 180, known as the bad 180SX. This is Toshi King-san's son, Rito-san. Hey! Built him a little car to have fun with.
He needs to have medicine for him.
Toshi King, more powerful drift.
Ah, yeah.
Rito-san, clipping point, go! Huge thank you to Hosotani-san. I had not seen this 180SX for a long time. Now, you might recognize this car from a lot of Japanese media, videos, viral stuff, especially the color combo, the bonnet. And at the time, Hosotani-san was the only other person in the world, apart from me, that had the louvers. So we both had the D1 spec rear quarter louvers that started the whole rear louver trend on the rear quarter glass windows of the 180SXs several years ago. He has since removed his, and he's kept them. However, I brought another pair from Australia to put back on, so it'll get louvers again, and it will be a tribute to Hosotani-san. So this car has been sitting for several years and is not in the same condition that it used to be. Does need quite a lot of work, but the nostalgia and the sentimental value of this car and of my friendship with Hosotani-san wasn't gonna let me let this rust. And funnily enough, Toshi King of all people had this and bought it off Hosotani-san and had it, and I just so happened to meet Toshi King a couple of years back, and he had this sitting away in his back paddock, and I'm like, there's no way. So yes, our minor dilemma at the moment though is getting this onto this truck. They turn the wheels into an obstacle course. Hito-san has the best dad ever. Have you guys met Yuki-san? You need to meet Yuki. Yuki owns the Hachiroku down here. Hosotani-san's done dual caliper. So this was a drift car. Also done some pretty funky stuff with the doors that I did not realise until a couple months back, but still handle. It's a rather funky way to open it. I'm not going to attempt it because we're about to get this off, maybe with the crane, to put it onto the other truck. And the front tie rods on this are currently disconnected, and the pay frame is kind of not really bolted in, so it's going to be a bit of a pain to move. We could potentially park the trucks alongside one another and then crane the purple car across onto the other truck. This is a dual loader and this is a single loader, but we've just opted with trying to do the easiest thing with the most amount of people is we'll drop this down and we'll just get this back up with a winch, and then we'll worry about how to unload it when we get to the house, which will be quite difficult. Alright, we're just going to quickly switch over the wheels so we can give Toshi King back his beautiful wheels, which you can't see because it's dark. And fronts are stockies, but the rack is not connected, and we're fighting the wheels to kind of skull drag it up, so the more air we have in the tyres, the better. This is such a cool car. If you followed this car for a while, or you know of this car, you may know how much work Hosotani-san put into building it. He made this bonnet himself, which is why it looks so extreme. The SR was all the way back here, and then he had a front mount mounted on the top here. Very nice. If you ever see me wear the merch, this is TPP. This is where TPP originated from. These are 17-year-old semi-slick Advance. Big thanks to Kansai Dori. Sold me a set of stockies with these on them. It's pretty cool. Be very good because I have no torch. ゆきさん、もう一度光お願いします。
はい。
So this is interior. I'll show you more of this car later, but very cool. There's a diffuser. There's a second side skirt. Hey, Yuki-san.
Okay.
Okay, how to shut this? This is the question. I didn't want to slam it.
ドアノブっていかに大事なのか分かるそう。
だからここのヒンジ多分調整。逃げて。Steering axle are bolted down and the LCA is contained. So we're taking the brakes off so we can fit stock wheels over the Sumitomos. Toshi King, it looks like I'm going to be buying a lot of parts of you. Coilover, tie rods, cluster arms, knuckles. But very cool car. So exquisite.
mission and a half to get this home. We're just finding places to strap the car down.
全然掘れへんかった。これこっちかけたっすわ。で。
Let's hope all the body panels stay on for the journey. Scary, very scary. Thank you, Hosotani-san. Thank you, Toshi. Arigatou gozaimasu. I'll look after it. Shivik, you. I love it. You see random cars everywhere around here. It's so good. I saw a random rally, like full rally spec Alfa Romeo coming off the highway today. We're like, what the hell? And then yeah, obviously you rock up to a place like Toshi's workshop and there's just sick cars everywhere. This is beautiful. Filming on a GoPro at the moment, which does not have very good night time. Instead, we will blind Benjamin with a torch.